What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gotti's Garage. In this video I am deleting the resonators on my 17 Ram 1500 with a 5.7 Hemi in it. Deleting the resonators, leaving the stock exhaust to see what it sounds like, and I hope it sounds good. So hit that subscribe button and hit the thumbs up. Also, I want to let you know I did not weld these. I just put on exhaust clamps because I currently don't have a welder. I sold it to upgrade and never upgraded. So more views, more revenue. I'll pick up a welder. We'll do some cool things. Next is a muffler, but I just wanted to see what the stock muffler sounded like without resonators, and keep watching to find out. Alright, guys, so as you saw, I replaced the resonator, or I deleted the resonators and left the stock exhaust or muffler on the truck, and it has a little bit deeper tone. It still it does sound stock, but it does sound better than stock. So if you're looking for something if you're looking for something that's not aggressive, this is the perfect solution for you guys. I did actually have to cut them a little short. I didn't have enough exhaust pipes, so I will end up having to extend those out a little bit, but for now, I'm pretty sure that's going to work just fine. And I think it sounds pretty good. You don't really notice it inside the car, but outside the car you definitely notice a difference. So I'll let the truck get cold. Right after this video, I'll do a cold start. So look forward to that. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching.